Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello students, how are you? So you are all welcome back again to the second class, which is lesson 2. So in the first class, we have explained the meaning of pneumatic system, and we also try to differentiate between this pneumatic system and hydraulic system. We also said that the similarity between them is that they are both what? Used to transmit power. But the difference between them is that the pneumatic system uses what? Compressed liquid, while the pneumatic system uses compressed gas or air, while the hydraulic system uses compressed liquid. In this lesson, inshallah, we are going to look at the advantages of the pneumatic system, which go thus. Number one of the advantages is that it is safe to use. It is what? It is safe to use. Since pneumatic system does not derive its power from electricity, so it is therefore does not produce spark that could ignite gas and cause fire explosion. That is number one. Number two, it is cheap. Atmospheric air is abundant and readily available, which makes the power source an infinite resources. Number three, it is easy to maintain and use. Compressed air is flexible to control. Yes. Four, it is clean and pollution free. It uses compressed air, which is automatically clean and free from any contaminant that can damage the system or its user. Number five, it can use other type of compressed gases such as natural gas. Let me go through the advantages again. We said advantages of pneumatic system. Number one is that it's safe to use. It is safe to use. This is because it does not derive its power from electricity. So therefore, it is free from spark that could ignite gas and causes fire explosion. It is cheap. What I mean by cheap is that it is common. Atmospheric air is abundant and readily available. So which make the power source an infinite resources. So it is cheap. That is, it is common. We can see it. It is common. It's cheap. Not that it's a thing that we will be looking for. So that's why we say it is cheap. Number three, it is easy to maintain and use. So compressed air, this is because compressed air is flexible to control. So this make it very easy to maintain and what? Use. Clean and pollution free. It is clean and pollution free. So as we know, compressed air is automatically clean and it is free from any contaminant that can damage the system of its user. Number five, it can use other type of compressed gases too, such as natural gas. Now, the disadvantages of pneumatic system. The disadvantage of pneumatic system, number one, it is sensitive to extreme change in temperature and vibration. It is sensitive to extreme changes in temperature and vibration. Compressed air is more expensive than electricity. Compressed air is more expensive than electricity. Number three, there should be no leakage in the system so as to avoid loss of energy. When there is leakage in the system, so definitely there will be loss of energy. So therefore, there should be no leakage in the system so as to avoid loss of energy. It makes loud noise. So when we say there should be no leakage in the system, which means so it's proper care should be taken so that there will be no loss of energy. It makes loud noise. This is one of the disadvantages. Why the last one is what is expensive. If the system now require another tube again, another special tools, this will make it expensive. So it's expensive if the system requires special tubes. tubes. Now again, the disadvantages of pneumatic system, it is sensitive to extreme change in temperature and vibration. Yes, compressed air is more expensive than electricity. There should be no leakage in the system so as to avoid loss of energy. Four, it makes loud noise. And five, expensive. if the system require special tools. Now this is the assignment which will be posted on the assignment portal inshallah. So and the deadline date too will be what will be there. So you make sure you submit the day they ask you to submit. This is the question. What is the difference between hydraulic system and pneumatic system? State five components of pneumatic system and function and the function of each. State three application of pneumatic system. State four advantages of pneumatic system and state four disadvantages of pneumatic system. So this is the assignment. Make sure you do it. Make sure you read your note and solve past question. Immediately we are called to resume back to school. Just know that you are starting your exam. You have two exams. You write the national exam, which is a NECO, and also the state exam. Solve your past question. Read your what? Read your note, your textbooks. Any topics that is giving you problem, you try to what? Send it to me through message so that we can what? Discuss it together in our class, inshallah. So I wish you what? Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.